Hi. Sorry.
Say hi to all my subscribers.
All of them?
Yeah.
Got 3? Yeah. For Christmas. Oh my god. For Christmas, we bought Lydia and Alma Lush products to review. So I went into Lush on Oxford Street, their flagship store. Spent about 3 hours there, hunting for a
Lushy.
Yeah. A Lushy who had 4C hair.
How'd you know it's 4C?
I don't know it's 4C. Because she had 4C hair.
Okay.
I didn't go over and just start touching her hair. Going,
he knows
is this
better.
4C?
Pretty sure her colleague said this is one of my colleagues he has.
No, I didn't. I went and found her. I didn't grab someone and
Trying to
go.
help him out here.
No. So I went. Yeah. So she got really excited and started running around the store and just grabbing things. I did mention you were YouTubers though, and I think she gave me a discount on this one.
Hey.
That's so nice.
Yay! Thank you guys. Hello. Good afternoon.
Shut up.
You.
We
All right.
are, as you heard the lads, so we're just gonna get into it.
Boom,
We
boom.
started this wash day with putting some nice scalp cleansing. Woo, woo, I can feel the
Roll up,
fire.
roll up, hold up. Okay. Give it now.
But this is great. It keeps your scalp moist. It cleanses it. You can find the recipe in our Scalp Detox down in the description box below.
I think that's enough.
One of you amazing guys commented to put conditioner into our spray bottles during wash day to like detangle the hair before washing.
What a genius.
Oh
Thank you
my
very
gosh.
much. This worked a lot.
You know that life will be a breeze like see a trouble from a distance, yeah.
Alright.
But it's not that easy. I know. I try to see the situation, then I end up misbehaving. No. Hey now, what do you make now? Yeah, go around this head. Everything's okay now. That's right. That's so natural. That's so natural. That's so natural. Oh, that's so natural. 4C me, yeah. Yep, that's 4C.
Yeah, honestly guys, this like helped our detangling so much. Our hair has never like almost.
It's so easy and it made my hair so soft. I mean, I could just run my fingers through it. That's how good it was.
Yeah, I don't think we're going back to doing like water and
Oh,
coconut
no.
oil.
Coconut oil is off the list, off the shopping list. Bye.
Like, seriously. But yeah, try it next time. We'll do a video talking more about it.
Yep.
But yeah, at this point, we're just detangling our hair. I'm doing a much better job than Alma.
Oh, shut up,
And
man.
I'm using her nasty hands
Always
to
have
cut
to.
my precious hair.
Because you're trash.
I'll deal with you. I will just deal with you. So, oh god, her hair is so nasty. Yeah, we're just giving our hair a little trim.
Very tiny.
You know, before we just do this here and there when we feel the need. So we're starting with this product called Curly Whirly.
Curly Whirly.
Alright, that's enough. Thank you very
Shut
much.
up. That stuff smells so good. It's like passion fruit. Oh god.
Well, that's the shampoo. And it's got a lot of like flaky bits in there that we thought was quite cool, but we had no idea what we were setting ourselves up for
You'll see that in a minute.
at this rate. But yeah, it smelled quite nice. One thing about these products, they do have a lot of things like sulfate, and when we looked over it again, we saw like, I think, alcohol, which is not great for our hair.
Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga, radio was new. Radio, someone still loves you. Spanish. My fiance is Spanish.
Oh.
He wrote that song and it's just a throwback.
He's just as Spanish as he is real. Yeah, you better hold on to what we got. It doesn't matter, you long or short. We got each other, and that's a lot. Oh no, we'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, doing our hair.
Glitter.
Yeah, let's see the glitter. Show them.
Oh! Yeah.
All right. Goodness sake. You want to show?
Right, so this next treatment was called the Roots treatment. As you can see, there's a lot of alcohol and sulfate in there. Trust us, we will never,
Never.
ever, ever,
Ever.
ever,
Dun,
ever,
dun, dun.
ever do this
This
again.
ever.
Not gonna lie. We love Lush. They have great products, and
Oh, yeah.
we love them as a company. They're very ethical and stuff. But oh my gosh, we took a risk putting this in our hair because sometimes there are a few products like Cantu that we're starting to find out has alcohol in. That still kind of worked for our hair, but of course just isn't good to use. But we didn't expect this to be as drying as it was.
No.
So yeah, don't slate us in the comments. Oh, look how buzzed Alma is.
Girl, do you know who this is?
Oh, let me just help you out there. I think you could use
Alright,
some
give me a
help,
makeover. Let's see.
Big
Ah!
size
Oh
head.
my god. What you doing? I can't see nothing. You real evil. You know that.
You disgusting idiot. Get out the camera.
Yeah, we just helped each other wash out our hair individually so that we don't like share the same hair germs and
You got the germs.
whatever.
The leggies, rather.
We had to help each other get all those
Coconut
darn
flakes.
flakes. Look at our hair.
Oh my days.
Oh my days. Oh, this is the R&B hair moisturizer. It was kind of like a leave-in conditioner. Whoop whoop whoop. Shrinkage though. For
I
life.
know.
You know what I'm saying?
You know. X
You
Factor.
know, you know. So yeah, we had to do this fluffing thing to like basically shake out all them flakes. It took us about 10 minutes. It was insane.
And
Why would they
that
do
ain't
that?
even the word, girl.
Nah, they said it's for Afro hair. I don't think they realize everything is stuck in Afros. Like you can shake your hair, flies come out, birds come out. It was mad. But yeah, we braided our hair as normal. Like we put that R&B stuff and then put some Shea to seal the hair. But as you can see in this video, this was the results of my braid out. My hair was extra shrunk.
The texture's weird.
The texture was so weird. I was so scared. I was like,
Oh,
oh my god,
Lord.
did they put some like slow-key relaxer in here? Still have some flakes as you can see in my hair from the coconut. So I'm sorry, it's a no from me, Lush. But yeah, thank you to me mates for sending us the products. I won.
Cheers,
this
Adam
game.
and Sean. What?
Yes, thanks Adam and Sean. And yeah, have you guys tried Lush products before? Let us know. And we kind of enjoyed this review. I think we'd love to do some more.
Yeah, I love experiments.
Yeah, but just I think we're gonna avoid sulfate, alcohol, and stuff like that.
Oh,
in
yeah.
the future.
Yes.
Yeah.
Feel
So
the future.
comment what you think, guys.
Right
This
then.
is for you. Everything
Cheers.
we do is for you.
For you, I sacrifice my life for you. Dedicate my life to you.
Wake me up there and time to need
Oh, wait a minute. Da-ba-da, 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 da-ba-da.
You
Oh! All of you dead,
we gotta shut up. You got the words. Bye, y'all.